Hello students, welcome to Master Guide. My name is Dilpreet Singh and today we are going to start with class 8 chapter number 14 factorization. Today we are going to discuss the topic derivation of identities. So we will first derive first identity, that is identity 1. Identity 1, that is a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will derive the left hand side of this identity and we will come up with the right hand side of this identity. So we will start with left hand side, that is a plus b the whole square. We know that we can rewrite this identity as a plus b bracket close, a plus b bracket close. As we know that power of 2 means we will write the same thing 2 times. So by the distribution law we can derive this as a plus b in the bracket plus b, a plus b in the bracket. So we will multiply this side of the identity and we will come up with this side of right side of the identity. So a into a is a square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is ba and b multiplied by b is b square. We know that ab and ba are both the same things, so we can rewrite this as a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. Hope you understand the first identity. Now we are going to derive this second identity. Identity number 2. Identity 2 is a minus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we are going to derive the left hand side of this identity and we will come up with the right hand side of this identity. So we can rewrite this identity as a minus b bracket close, a minus b bracket close. We know that power of 2 means we will write the term 2 times. So by the distribution law we will rewrite this as a minus b minus b, a minus b. So we will multiply this and we will come up with the right hand side. So that is a into a square minus a into b minus ab minus b multiplied by a, that is minus ba, minus b multiplied by b is plus b square. So a square minus ab and minus ba is the same thing, so we'll write this as minus 2ab and plus b square is same. So to sum up, we got a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hope you understand first 2 identities. Now we are going to derive the third identity, that is identity number 3, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So now we will derive the right hand side of this identity and we will come up with the left side of this identity. So we will derive left hand side, that is a plus b, a minus b. With the distribution law we will derive this identity. We will first write a minus b will be in the bracket plus b, a minus b will be in the bracket. So a multiplied by a is a square, a multiplied by minus b is minus ab, B plus B multiplied by A is BA, that is plus BA, and B multiplied by minus B is minus B square. As we know, AB and BA are both the same things, but one is negative and one is positive, so it will be cut down and we will conclude with the identity A square minus B square. Thank you.